Deep beneath the forests of Oregon, a hidden giant lurks. It's not a towering tree or a massive mammal, but a humble fungus, Armillaria ostoyae, more commonly known as the honey mushroom. This seemingly ordinary organism holds a remarkable title, the largest living organism on Earth. While its above-ground fruits may seem small and insignificant, its underground network, known as mycelium, is a vast and interconnected web. This network, estimated to be over 2,200 acres in size, stretches deep into the forest floor, consuming decaying wood and even attacking living trees. The honey mushroom is a parasite, using its mycelium to penetrate the roots of trees and extract nutrients. Over time, this parasitic activity can weaken and eventually kill the tree. But the fungus doesn't stop there. It continues to expand its network, searching for new hosts and growing ever larger. The Oregon honey mushroom is believed to be thousands of years old, a testament to its resilience and adaptability. Its vast size and longevity make it a truly extraordinary organism, a reminder of the hidden wonders that exist beneath the surface of our planet.